I am buffing away at this paint, grinding in with a rotary. Take a look at these rotary swirls. It's like you're looking at waves. That is step one. Step two is polishing it away to perfection. It all takes time. You ever had this happen where you polish, and then as you're removing that polish, you scratch the paint again? It is so frustrating, it is so time consuming, it is so important to find the right towel that will not scratch your paint as you remove your polish. And after years in this business, I found that towel. It's the Zero Finish Towel Pro Heavy Duty from KLiN. Now you can see the edge stitching here, but it's not just a polish removal towel, because a lot of folks out there might not even polish paint. It's also the best window cleaning towel I've ever used. If you're good with this, go buy some. It's all fine and dandy, but if you're the kind of person who needs to be, well, sold a little bit more, if you're a person who wants to understand the why, let's watch the video and I'll show you how it works and how it can help you in your business. But first, let's start with the polish Koch Chimney Purple and their purple pad with the Flex Mini. We have a video about that one. We actually kind of love it. Gonna remove these rotary swirls and then we'll get to the polish removal with the towel, which is why you're here. So let's get to it. Now look at this, it's a short nap towel. It doesn't look like much, but it is pristine. It is so clean. What is my first favorite thing about these towels? They come sealed. They are air dried in Korea, pre-washed. It's ridiculous the way these things are sealed. They have this containment control system. You ever used a plush microfiber? Because, you know, that is the go-to in the industry. They lint as you're using them for the first time, even from a lot of these amazing detailer supply websites. These towels, they lint. Now, a 5-pack of these is 20 bucks, which means $4 a towel. I challenge you to go out and find any high-end towel for 4 bucks. So the price seems very, very reasonable. We get them in white because you can see everything. Not one speck of dirt or lint. Now let's do the wipe off. Now I'm good with these for compound wipe off. It's fine, whatever. You're gonna polish to refine anyway. But when you want the polish removed and no abrasion that's going to scratch the paint, you grab the KLiN. And before you think this is some kind of paid promotion, here's a stack of some of the towels I've paid full price for. We believe in this stuff. I want you to try these towels. Let me know what you think. Now, when we're done with the towel, whether we're using it for polish removal or coating application, which is also what we use these for, we'll soak them in all-purpose cleaner. And it's just a great way to ensure you're giving it a pre-treatment. Like when you foam can in a car to start to emulsify the dirt on the paint, you're doing that so that when you actually wash the car, it's a safer process. I feel like if I pre-soak these and then wash them, it's more likely that I'm gonna get all the crap that's attached to those fibers washed away. What we do next is we will hang dry these, and folding them is an intentional act, kind of like making your bed, but it's not just for any psychological reasons that the military guy you've seen on YouTube says to make your bed every day. As you fold them, you'll see little specks, and you can take them out. I get a couple of cars off of these, but if I'm really going for that finesse job, I use them like one time for polish removal. They are amazing, amazing for windows. So I want to show you that now, but part of the pre-soak and the all-purpose cleaner is let's continue to get these dirty towels washed away of all contaminants or soil or whatever crud is in there. I've had these plush towels that I use. They're great for polish removal, but you can't use them for windows. They start to lint. Next thing you know, they're interior towels, and then you're using them on wheels. You keep cycling these out, they're going to be your window towels. And at the $4 price point, they're cheaper than the waffle towels that I've been using from the rag company forever. And so let's check it out. I'll show you my process, and you can make up your own mind. So for the longest time, I was using these waffles from the rag company. I still like them. I've been telling you guys forever how much I love them. But it's possible to find something better, isn't it? That's the problem with detailing. It's our curse. We're always looking for that next best product. Okay, so we're gonna throw some hacks in there for you. There's a ring here, some streaks. If you don't see them here, we have other angles to show you just how nasty these interior streaks are. There's a lot of different ways to do this. You could line the whole dashboard with towels if you're worried about overspray. This is my prep product. You know, you could do CarPro Eraser. You could do Prep All in the gallon from Amazon. I've got a link to that in the description notes. We use that for coating prep. Your coating company might have a prep spray. You can use isopropyl alcohol from the drugstore. So a lot of easy ways to do it, but you want alcohol. So sometimes I will just do this. And again, if you're worried about overspray, you can literally do a nice saturation spray and then take a towel and say, okay, I'm not an idiot. I don't want to mess this car up. So I'm just going to kind of clean up where I did that. And the magic eraser is amazing. It's the first step that I like to use because it'll knock off all that gunk, including that ring from that GPS. And of course I'll box the windows, right? You want to box the window. Starting to get some residue on there, so I'll flip it to another side. Okay. Now if you're in direct sunlight, work in smaller areas because it will start to dry on you. Not the end of the world. Okay, prep spray on one of these towels, and whatever it is that removes the polish so effectively. I'm just gonna start flipping, right? You just wanna work clean. Okay, you've got all your different sides, so you can just work clean, clean, clean. Okay, halfway through, I don't want to move it around. I want to grab it into this freaking superpower towel. Okay, a few more prep sprays onto my towel. I can never swap towels enough. Clean sides are what I want. I'm swapping, I'm wiping, and this prep flashes so fast. Every time I'm going for a new pass as I get toward the end, I'm going for clean sides, hitting the corners, using as much light as I can. And I don't know what it is about these towels that make window cleaning, if not a dream, at least more effective. Because no matter how good your window cleaning technique is, folks, you're always gonna struggle. But with this particular towel, I just find that my life is a whole lot easier. Now, with that said, I'm gonna have to go back. I'm gonna have to make some cleanups. But now some of the streaks that I thought from before are actually on the outside, which is amazing. So at this point, I've maybe used 2 or 3 towels to get this half side of the windshield. Oh my gosh, so pleasurable. Just make sure that's on the outside. Once I use it on the outside, it's a goner. Folks, these KLiN towels have changed our business. It is so refreshing to find something that not only works phenomenally for your high-end jobs, but that you can cycle into the money-making, window cleaning, interior detailing world. The value is perpetual. The channel is Hawk Pro Detailing. If you like this content, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and we do get small commissions from the links below if you want to support us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.